Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solution for Jenkins, and as we know, that is the best SSO solution available for the Jenkins. So, in this video we are going to set up Jenkins Single Sign-on with Okta using SAML protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Jenkins dashboard and click on Manage Jenkins. Click on Manage Plugins. Now go to the Available tab, search SSO and select Plugin, then click on Download and restart Jenkins. Here you can see the plugin is downloaded successfully. Then go to Manage Jenkins, and click on Configure Global Security. Then select miniOrange SAML 2.0 and click on Save. Here you can see miniOrange SAML SSO tab to configure all details. Now we are configuring Okta as an identity provider. Go to the Okta login page and log in with your credentials. Now go to Application drop-down, and select Applications. Click on Create App Integration, and select SAML 2.0. Then click on Next. Now enter app name, and click on Next. You will find Single Sign-on URL in the Jenkins. Copy the ACS URL and paste it in the field. For Audience URI, copy the SP Entity ID and paste it here. Here you can select Name ID format. In the Attribute Statement section, add the attribute as first name and select its value as user first name. Add second attribute as last name and select its value as user last name. Now add another attribute as name ID and select its attribute as user email. Now go to Group Attribute Statement section and add the attribute and select the filter. Scroll down and click on Next. Then click on Finish. Go to the Assignment tab and click on Assign and select Assign to People. Now assign the app to the people. Click on Save and go back. Click on Done. You can see that the user is assigned successfully. Now, let's configure Jenkins as the service provider. Click on miniOrange SAML SSO. Scroll down for Metadata URL, go to the Application. In the SAML Signing Certificates section, click on Action drop-down and select View IdP Metadata. Then copy the URL and paste it Metadata URL field. And click on Validate Metadata URL. And click on Apply. Scroll down and click on Test Configuration. Then click here to see the test configuration. You can see test configuration details here, along with group, first name, last name, and name ID. You will get to see SSO button on the Jenkins login page. Click on Login with IdP and you will be mredirected to Okta login page. Now enter your Okta credentials. You will be successfully logged into your Jenkins dashboard. miniOrange provides the best single sign-on solution for Jenkins. Thanks for watching.